Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Maggie Raj here and now you are watching my YouTube channel Physics Funda by Maggie sir. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for updating me with you forever. And now we are going to get discuss transistor as a switch and an amplifier. So first of all, how will this transistor works as switch? So this is the circuit diagram of CE configuration. This is NPN transistor and which is used as a switch. So this is the base current IB and here this is B input voltage and this terminal is common and here also attached a resistance in the base, that is RB, and this is input voltage just like VI. Okay, and here this is collector, so here the produced collector current like this IC, and here it is the VCC and also attached a load resistance RL or R2. Okay, and this is V naught, that means output voltage. So in this way this transistor will use as a switch. So whenever it operates just like a switch and whenever it as an amplifier, so this is the graph just like V naught and VI. So this is the cut off region, this is active region, and this is the saturation region. Okay, so whenever this transistor operates or work in the cut off or saturation region, then it used as a switch, and whenever it works or it operates in the active region, then it uses as the amplifier. So first of all, let me discuss here transistor as a switch. So what will happen? So whenever this transistor used as a switch, then it operates in the cutoff region or saturation region. It works or operates in cutoff and saturation region. Okay. So whenever transistor used as a switch, then it operates in the cutoff region and saturation region. Okay, in both region it works as on and off. So whenever it lie in the cutoff region, then it works as a switch off. So in cut off it operates as a switch off, and in saturation region it works as switch on. So just to remember this, so in the cutoff region switch works as off and in the saturation region switch works as on. So let me consider what will be the particular reaction condition and for the this transistor which works as a switch. So first of all, whenever transistor used as a switch, then it operates in the cutoff region and saturation region. Okay, and whenever it lies in the cutoff region, then it works as switch off, and whenever it lies in the saturation region, then it works as switch on. So let me consider here the condition for the switch on and switch off. So for this case, here the potential drop between B and E region is VBE, and here the potential drop between C and E, that means VCE. So in this condition VBB, that is input voltage, that works as a input voltage, that means यहाँ पर हो जाएगा इस करंट के थ्रू IBRB प्लस VBE, इतना पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. एंड फॉर दिस रीजन VCC is equals to VCE plus ICRC. इट मीन्स VCE जो होगा VCC minus ICRC. This is second and it works as the output voltage. So these are two conditions for both. This is input voltage. यहाँ पर इस करंट के थ्रू IB और रेजिस्टेंस RB, इस रेजिस्टेंस में इतना पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप होगा और इनके बीच B और E के बीच में VBE इतना है, तो ये इनपुट वोल्टेज इतना होगा. एंड आउटपुट वोल्टेज यहाँ पर VCE वर्क करता है, इज नॉट VCC. ओके, सो VCC होगा किसके इक्वल? VCE, यहाँ पर जो पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप है वो, और इस करंट के थ्रू इस लोड पर ICRC, आप इसको RC लिख सकते हैं. So in this way VCE, that is works as V naught, it means output voltage, that is VCC minus ICRC. Okay, so let me consider here for as long as input is less than 0.6 volt. And you know that this is the for silicon transistor, the potential is lies 0.6 volt. यानी जब तक ये 0.6 volt से कम रहेगा तब तक then no any current means IC equals to 0 रहेगा. then अब इस इक्वेशन में अगर पुट करें by equation second, so V naught will be equals to VCC minus 0. it means V naught किसके इक्वल होगा? VCC. So as long as input is less than 0.6 volt, then IC will be 0. It means no any output current will flow. It means by equation second V naught is equals to VCC minus IC की वैल्यू 0 पुट कर देंगे. So V naught will be equals to VCC. Okay, अब देखिए आगे क्या होता है. तो अब इसके बाद पहले तो 0.6 वोल्ट तक लिया, अब 0.6 to 1 वोल्ट तक मीन्स लेस देन 1 वोल्ट तक क्या होगा? सो एज वेल एज input lies between 0.6 to less than 1 volt, यानी इसके बीच में लाई करेगा, तो then there will produce some IC and IC भी increases gradually. okay, और IC अगर increase करेगा, if IC increases then टर्म जो होगा ICRC ये भी इंक्रीज करेगा, क्योंकि RC में IC से बार बार मल्टीप्लाई कर दें और वो भी इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई करें, तो ये टर्म जो होगा क्या करता जाएगा? इंक्रीज करता जाएगा. और ये वैल्यू जो है फिक्स्ड वैल्यू है यहाँ पर अप्लाइड की गई थी, तो फिक्स्ड वैल्यू में इंक्रीजिंग वैल्यू अगर करते जाएं तो ये वैल्यू जो आउटपुट होगी देन क्या हो जाएगा? V naught डिक्रीजेज कंटिन्यूअसली. It means V naught decrease करता जाएगा continuously and such a condition become whenever V naught be 0, but it may not be never be 0. कभी 0 हो नहीं सकता, बट ऐसा बोलते हैं कि अगर ऐसा होगा तो ये कंडीशन आ जाएगी, V naught फाइनली क्या हो जाएगा? 0. ओके, सो as well as input lies between 0.6 to less than 1 volt, ऐसा होगा then IC increases and IC के increase होने से the term ICRC also be increases, and whenever ICRC increases gradually then this is the fixed value, then V naught will be decreases continuously, और V naught continuously decrease करता जाएगा. and such a condition whenever V naught becomes 0, but it may never be 0, ये कभी 0 होता है. okay, so ऐसी कंडीशन आएगी. and as well as it greater than 1, अब इसके बाद क्या होगा कि 1 से ग्रेटर होगा तो वहां पर क्या होगा, अभी देखिएगा जब तक ऐसा था सो कट ऑफ एंड एक्टिव रीजन एंड एक्टिव टू सैचुरेशन रीजन के बीच में कुछ नॉन लीनियर टाइप्स के कर्व मिलेंगे। ओके, सो ऐसा होने पर देखिएगा इन दिस सिचुएशन whenever it potential input potential be lies from 0.6 to 1 volt and that situation there will also some non-linear curve be found as well as its value increases to 1 volt। ओके, यानी जैसे भी इनपुट वोल्टेज की वैल्यू 1 वोल्ट से हम आगे इंक्रीज करेंगे तो यहाँ पर कुछ नॉन लीनियर टाइप के कर्व फॉर्म होंगे और इस सिचुएशंस पर अब क्या होगा कि यहाँ पर कट ऑफ और सैचुरेशन रीजन कैसे यहाँ पर ऑफ और ऑन के तरीके से वर्क करने लगते हैं। तो देखिएगा यहाँ पर हमने V नॉट मीन्स इनपुट वैल्यू, ओके, इनपुट वैल्यू अगर हम लो कर दें, यहाँ पर Vi की वैल्यू क्या है, सो वी कैन से दैट इनपुट इज लो और आउटपुट इज हाई, यानी यहाँ पर सबसे ज्यादा लार्ज वैल्यू है आउटपुट की, देन दिस ट्रांजिस्टर ऑपरेट्स एज in the cutoff region and it works as switch off। okay, switch off, and when input is high or output is low then it works in the saturation region and it works as switch on। So simply we can say that the transistor works as switch off in the cutoff region and as switch on in the saturation region। So in here we can say that when for the low input or high output transistor works as switch off and for the high input or low output transistor works as switch on, or simply we can say that for the low input transistor works in the cutoff region and for the high output transistor operates in the saturation region। okay।